Hi, my name's Gareth, and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sound Guy. This page is all about learning things all to do with DIY audio. I try and keep things simple, as best as possible at least, though sometimes I have to admit, actually, most times, I'm not the best content creator, I definitely cannot deny. But you know what? I'm going to keep on trying to learn to deliver better media, and hopefully, as I improve, so will your understanding. Together, we are going to take over the speaker box world, one driver at a time. With a little bit of patience and lots of hard work, you can build yourself something so fantastic. And I promise you, DIY is so richly rewarding. It will definitely change your life completely. Music is universal. It's something we all love and enjoy. And when you listen to something for the first time and it sounds heavenly, man, does that feel good. So if you want to learn more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give us a share and stick around because we've got a whole lot more coming.